Baruela, isang Pilipino, nag-apply sa JBCS, nagkaroon ng work permit within 4 months, nagkaroon ng visa within 2 weeks. At ang masasabi ko sa service na JBCS, sila at ang staff nila responsible, maasahan, accommodating. Kaya I would like everyone to invite to come and apply here in JBCS. This consultancy is 100% legit. Here is the proof, my work permit and my visa. Thank you.
My name is Grace Lauganas from Philippines. I applied GBC, waiting for my permit for 2 months, then waiting for my visa is 3 days. Masasabi ko lang po talaga sa GBC is 100% legit yung mga staff po nila, the way sila mag-accommodate, yung services nila, napaka-reliable po talaga. Ini-invite ko po lahat na mag-apply sa GBC kasi super legit po sila. Salamat po.
Hello, good morning. My name is Sundar Kumar. I'm from Nepal. I got work permit 1.5 months and visa within 15 days. Thank you for JBCS team and all member of JBCS. They are helpful, they are kind, they are supporting, and this is 100% that you will get the visa and work permit if you apply here. Thank you for the JBCS.
Ako si Rose Anguilo, Pilipina. Nag-process po dito sa JBCS. Dumating po ang work permit ko within 3 months. And then dumating po ang visa ko within 3 weeks. Maraming salamat po sa pagtulong sa pag-process ng papers ko.
Ako po si Giovanni Pilari, isang Pilipino. Nag-apply dito sa JBC. Yung permit po, for 4 months lang po dumating. Tapos yung visa ko po, 2 weeks lang po. So, mag-apply po kayo sa JBC. Informative and legit po dito. Tara na po.
I'm Michelle Katapang, Filipino. I put my work permit for 3 months and my visa for 2 weeks only. I can say that JBC is a legit consultancy and the staff is very accommodating and friendly. And I would like to invite you to apply.
My name is Abilit Pidola. I am applied at JBCS. My work permit is coming 3 months. My visa is coming within 19 days. I applied at JBCS. JBCS is very good consultancy.
Ako po si Charlene Rose Ferrer. Nag-apply po ako sa JBCS. Ang hinintay ko po sa aking working by 3-4 months lang po. Napakabilis po. At saka ito po, legit po, nandito na po yung visa ko. Naghintay po ako ng within 2 weeks lang po. Ang mga staff po dito sa JBCS, napaka-approachable po nila, friendly. Kapag may mga tanong po kayo or inquiries, napakabilis po nilang sagutin at saka maasikaso po sila sa mga nag-a-apply po dito. So, I would like to invite you, everyone, please, kung may pangarap po kayo sa buhay, JBCS po ang makakatulong sa inyo. Nandito na po talaga. Legit 100% po, ma'am. Salamat po.